Hello friends, welcome back once again to this YouTube channel abhaywavre.com. Friends, today we will discuss the importance of lifelong learning skill. If you really want to succeed in the 21st century, we have to relearn again and again the new skill sets. Now let us take few examples. Why did most of the business persons find some quality time to read something new in their office? Why has the best investor in the history, Mr. Warren Buffett, spent his 80% of time in reading and learning throughout his career? Why did most of the smart cricketers watch to see the video recordings of the past matches? The answer is very simple. They just want to increase their depth of knowledge. The future of career depends on 3L factor. Today, not only for growth but for even survival, this learning soft skill is become integral part of professional life. If you don't do this, you will find slowly you are dropping out of race. Today, due to the digital technologies, most of the old jobs will go away and new jobs will be created by the new technology. This is a very good opportunity to encash this opportunity and fill up the vacuum with the new skill sets. In one survey, it is found that 75 million old jobs will go away and 135 million new jobs will be created by the new technology. Now this is very good opportunity to get some new skills, new information and try to capture this vacuum. Now let us see the different phases of learning. The first phase is learn to learn. That means learn to learn itself is a challenging process. What you learn, your preferences, then from you learn different things, and finally under what environment, under which organization you are learning new skills are very important. Second step is that learn to apply. Here what you learn in earlier phase, you have to apply these new skill sets in your workplace. The effective application of the skill sets in the working place, that will make the difference between success and failure. Third phase in the learning system is learn to teach. As we know that learning and teaching is a cyclic process. That means whatever you learn, you have to transfer these skill set to your organization, to your team. Here only classroom teaching is not expected, but you have to perform the role of mentor and coach. This also gives the test of your management and leadership skills. In fact, realization of the fact that there is much more to learn is by itself is a great learning experience, and that is the central to the goal of entire lifelong learning approach. In short, coming to the conclusion, the quality of our life is directly depends on the quality of our learning systems, how you learn effectively. And if you want to grow in a career, be a student for a long time. Thank you.